Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, whether you're looking to either optimize the marketing that you're already doing online, or whether you're looking to just start from the very beginning and figure out how do I get online and acquire customers, generate a customer base, and ultimately really scale my online advertising. Those were the questions that I had at one point, and I moved through those stages, and thank God I finally met a man by the name of Douglas James, because I haven't worked with anybody yet who's been able to help us produce the results that he has. And we've worked with a dozen people. Maybe you worked with a few marketing agencies and it didn't work out. Well, again, like I said, when you finally have the opportunity to see a video like this and hear from somebody like me who's built a multi-million-dollar company, and I'm telling you from experience, the only person I trust to give my money to run ads online for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all those platforms, he's crushed it with us. Douglas James and his agency. Whether you have a high-ticket service like we do, or whether you also have low-level products like we do as well, in your Ascension model, Douglas has helped us crush it. And more importantly, I know he's helped so many other hundreds of businesses generate tens of millions of dollars. He's helping us generate millions of dollars this year. And I'm really excited to not only have the opportunity to work with him, but to have the opportunity to share with other people like my tribe. He just spoke at my workshop here because I'm only bringing in people that I trust and that I've gotten results with. So I brought him here to my workshop. He just spoke to my entire crowd, and they loved it. They got so much information because he doesn't just tell you results that he's been able to produce for other people. He breaks down a process so you can produce results yourself. So whether you want to work with him and actually get amazing results, or whether you want to just follow him to get his content where he leaks out some of those little secrets, either way, Douglas James is your guy for high-ticket services and online marketing.
Awesome.